During this video, I'm going to show you the different ways that you can change the way that your data is displayed whenever you are viewing reports. So right now I am looking at enrollments by term, and I also have education level selected down here at the bottom. Now on the left hand side, you'll notice that we have the display option. If you don't see these options, make sure you click the little arrow on the right to expand those options. Now just below that, you'll notice that we have 4 different options. We have a vertical bar chart, a horizontal bar chart, we have a pie chart, and we have a line chart. Now by simply clicking on any of these buttons, you'll notice the chart changes on the right hand side to match the option that we've selected. You'll also notice underneath each option are some additional display settings, and they change depending on which style of chart we have selected. For example, for the vertical bar chart, we have the ability to stack the bars, and we can see what that looks like when it's on or off. Instead of showing numbers of enrollment, we can change that to a percentage instead by activating that. We can also enable multiple filters inside of the results. And if you're having a hard time distinguishing between the different colors, we have patterns that we can turn on. And that will make each variable a different pattern, as we can see here, making it easier to read and understand. Not only that, we also have the graph key below to point out which pattern belongs to which education level and so forth. We have similar options for the horizontal bar chart. If I turn that on, you'll notice we have the same options here. Once we switch to the pie chart, we do have a few different options here. Let's turn off patterns. We have the donut option, and we have the label option, just like so. Lastly, we have the line chart. Again, if you are having trouble seeing the different lines here as they intersect, we can turn on patterns to help distinguish those lines a little better. And again, we have the key down here at the bottom. Now, just below those display settings, we have numeric and percentages. And that's going to apply down here at the bottom for the variables that I have selected. Right now, we can see the numbers for the education level. If I turn on percentages, we now have a new chart that we can scroll down here and see the percentages instead of the numeric values. I can go ahead and turn that off as well, and now we have just the percentages. And that there covers the wide variety of display options that we have when it comes to viewing reports inside of Precision Campus.